It's a 2018 Ford Escape. Re-established style and more capability than ever before. It has standard LED tail lamps, a bold hood and grille, giving it an athletic exterior that's ready for the challenges of the road. All-weather floor mats and a cargo mat help to keep the interior crisp, while curve control, torque vectoring control, and advanced track with roll stability control make it easy to stick to the road. The 60/40 split folding rear seat backs let you pack it all in, and the personal safety system and safety canopy system protects everyone and everything inside. If things go awry, the SOS post-crash alert system is there for you. It is your strategy for a smart escape. You need to drive it to believe it. Take it for a test drive today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.